Welcome back to the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen giving you recipes and ideas. Anyway, today we make one of the best ever pumpkin carving in the world from Chef Ricardo and the team. Thank you so much to watching the show, and we got a lot more ideas, tips and recipe coming your way. Enjoy it, and as I said, the best in the world, and this is the way how you carve your pumpkin at home. Don't waste it. Nice and lovely. Today we're going to show you how you can do the best pumpkin carving ever in this whole wide world. First of all, what you need to do when you're carving pumpkin, this is one of the best way to carve your pumpkin. Look at this. Alright, as you can see, the best way how you can do your pumpkin at home. After you carve your pumpkin, as you can see, the best way to carve your pumpkin at home. See, best way to carve your pumpkin at home. Nice and lovely, and as you can see, a lot of people doesn't know how to carve their pumpkin at home, and I'm gonna show you the best way you could ever carve your pumpkin at home from Chef Ricardo today for you. By the way, nice and lovely, and as you can see, pumpkin looking lovely and nice. Look at that, beautiful. Then, simple, put some olive oil. I'm gonna show you how to carve your pumpkin at home, guys. I'm gonna show you something. So far, we put oil, pinch of pepper, and some mixed herb. Give it a nice, good, lovely start. And as I said, this is one of the best way you could ever carve your pumpkin at home for Halloween. The next thing, get a open tray, proof paper, and roast it up and make a pumpkin mash salad for your Halloween party. So guys, enjoy it and subscribe my channel, leave your comments, and roast up in the oven for roughly about 35 to 40 minutes inside of the oven. Gas mark or gas mark 9 or gas mark 8 if you're using a different oven, 175 or 165 to 30 to 40 minutes in your oven. Halloween pumpkin carving, the best in the world today. As you can see, look at that, beautiful and nice. Really, really, really nice. Then right over here we have half more pumpkin. So that's another way how you can do your pumpkin carving right here, guys, is cut out some hole into the pumpkin and then you make a nice lovely pumpkin soup or something, or pumpkin sauce, whatever you want to make with it. But as you can see, this one is the best Halloween pumpkin roast carving in the world today from Chef Ricardo. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye bye.